Good morning, my name is Diana. Welcome to this short bite-sized early morning wake up. Just a way to get into our body and into our breath. We'll begin in an easy cross-legged position. Find the longest expression of your spine in this moment. And if it feels safe, you can bring the eyes to a gentle close. We'll open the practice with 3 full breaths in and out. Eyes are still closed, we'll gently open them and start to reach the arms all the way forward, palms face inward towards each other. You're going to find a gentle rounding of the spine as you keep the arms reaching forward. Chin comes in towards your chest. Take another breath, keep reaching forward, and then as you exhale, pull the elbows towards the rib cage, press your heart in between your arms. Let your head hang back, open up your heart. Inhale, you reach forward, round your spine, chin to chest. And as you exhale, press your heart forward, elbows come in towards the ribcage, fingers are active. Let's find 5 more just like that. Inhale, reach forward, chin drops. Exhale, pull it back, heart opens. Inhale, reach forward. Exhale, pull back. Got 3 more. Two more. Inhale, you reach forward. Exhale, you pull back. Last one. Inhale, reach forward. Exhale, pull back. Arch your back. Go ahead and bring the spine to neutral, arms reach forward, take them all the way up over your head. And then as you exhale, right hand reaches down, left arm reaches over. Now take a breath here, long breath out. Then inhale brings you back through center, arms reach up. As you exhale, left hand down, right arm over. Now take a breath, hold on the exhale. Inhale brings you back through center, arms reach up. As you exhale, turn towards your right. Right hand behind you, left hand to the right knee. Relax the shoulders, lengthen through the crown. Establish the connection with the left hand and the right knee. And on your next breath in, start to reach the right arm over towards the left. Hold there, 1 full run of breath. Deep breath in. Long breath out. Inhale brings you back into that twist. Gazes past the right shoulder. Hold there as you exhale. And then nice and slow, inhale, arms reach up as you come back through center. And then as you exhale, turn towards your left. Left hand reaches back, right hand to the left knee. Shoulders relax as you lengthen through the spine. Establish the connection with the right hand and the left knee. And the left arm reaches over. Here. Hold on the exhale. Take 1 more breath. Long breath out. Bring the left hand back behind you as you rise. Take your gaze past that left shoulder. That's your exhale. Let's do that 1 more time. Inhale back through center, arms reach up. Exhale towards the right. Right arm back, left hand to the right. Lengthen through the spine, that's your inhale. Look past your right shoulder, that's your exhale. And then inhale, right arm reaches over towards the left. Hold there as you exhale. 1 full round of breath. Inhale, you lengthen. Exhale, you find a little space. Inhale brings the right hand back. Take your gaze past that right shoulder, that's your exhale. Inhale, arms up through center. Exhale, you turn towards the left. Left hand back, right hand to the left knee. Relax the shoulders, breathe in. Deepen the twist, look past the left shoulder. And then take the left arm over towards the right. Hold here, one full round of breath. Big inhale in. Long exhale out. One more inhale, you find a little space. Hold there as you exhale. Inhale brings the left hand back behind you. You deepen the twist as you look past the left shoulder. And inhale brings you back through center, arms reach up. And as you exhale, pull it into your heart. Let the hands relax down up to the left. Take a deep breath in. Long, slow breath out. And then keep the left foot in towards the groin. Extend the right leg out. You're going to turn your torso gently towards that right foot. The left foot is pressing into the right thigh. Activate the right foot as you flex and then take the arms up overhead. That's your inhale. As you exhale, you're going to find a gentle fold forward. Maybe the hands reach the shin, maybe they reach the foot. Don't force it, just let it be natural. Keep the right hip pulling back gently and then drop your chin towards your chest. Take 3 breaths here. One more deep breath in. Long, slow breath out. On your next inhale, slowly reach the arms back up overhead. And then as you exhale, torso comes back through neutral, hands move through your heart. Switch sides, so the left leg will extend out. Right foot will come into the left thigh. Gentle twist of the torso towards the left leg, left foot is active. Inhale, arms reach up. Then as you exhale, from the hips, you hinge. Heart towards your knee, chin towards your toes. And then you fold here, breathing into the sensation in the back of the left leg. 3 deep full breaths in. And out. Out. Just like that. Breathe in. And out. Nice and slow. Inhale lifts your torso up. You turn the torso back through center. And then as you exhale, hands down. You might want to slide yourself back a little bit so that the ankles rest on the mat. Then go ahead and open up the legs any amount. Keep the feet nice and active. See if you can root through the sits bones, find a nice long spine. That's your inhale. And then as you exhale, use your hands to start to walk it forward. You're going to keep the chin reaching forward. Maybe the forearms make it down to the earth. Maybe the arms just keep walking. And you drop your chin down as you take this gentle stretch, breathing into the inner groin. And we're holding here as we breathe for 3. We're holding here as we breathe for 2. One more inhale. Start to walk your hands back to center. And then bring the right leg towards the left leg. As if you were closing a book. And slide your booty back onto the mat. Legs are still active, feet are flexed. Take the arms forward, palms face inward towards each other. Inhale, lengthen. As you exhale, chin comes towards your chest. You start to round your spine and start to lower all the way onto your back. Once you arrive, the knees can come in towards your chest. A gentle rock here, side to side. And we're going to find a happy baby here, Uttanasana. So as you reach for the outsides of the feet, and the insides of the knees will pull down towards the ground, soles of the feet parallel to the sky. Lengthen the tailbone forward, take a deep inhale here. Long exhale out. And then bring the left heel towards your groin and extend the right leg out. Take 3 deep full breaths as you breathe into the back of the right leg. If the hand doesn't reach the foot, that's okay. You can walk it down your shin and hold there as you breathe. 3. As you breathe. 2. One more inhale. One more exhale. When you're ready, you switch. Right heel to the inner groin, left leg extends. Breathe into the back of the left leg for this grasshopper situation. Hold here. 3. Hold here. 2. One more inhale. One more exhale. Nice and slow. Go ahead and bend your left knee. Bring the knees close together one more time. Feel a gentle rock side to side. Then you'll release the soles of the feet down. Hands are down by your side. Press into your feet, press into your hands, lift your hips. That's your inhale. Hold there as you shimmy the shoulder blades together on the back body. Interlace the fingers, press down through the forearms and hold. 3 deep full breaths in. And out. In. Out. As you exhale, release your hands. Hips come all the way back down towards the earth. This time you'll toe heel the feet together, soles of the feet meet. Knees will fall apart away from each other, coming into Supta Baddha Konasana. Start to slide your hands into a cactus position. Or if it feels available in your body this morning, you'll start to slide the hands over your head any amount. Feel the chest starting to open. And we'll find 3 deep full breaths here. In through the nose. Out through the nose. 2 more just like that. Breathe in. Out. Slide the hands back down by your side. Hands will come to the outsides of the knees and nice and gentle as if you were closing a book. You bring the knees back together. Soles of the feet meet the mat. Knees come in towards the chest one more time. Take a breath. And as you exhale, everything comes over towards the right. Find a fetal position. Make a little pillow with your hands. And then press into that top hand. We'll press ourselves all the way back up into a seat. Find a nice, easy cross-leg position. Nice long spine. Deep breath in. Hands to your heart. And as you exhale, chin bows.